Hello, hello students. Welcome everyone. Good afternoon, each and everyone. How are you, students? How are you? Just let me know quickly in the chat box, everyone. Tell me, is my audio is clear or not? The screen is visible or not? Just let me know quickly in the chat box. Okay, everyone. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Yeah, everyone. Start. Let me know in the chat box. My audio is clear or not? The screen is visible or not? Are you able to see the screen? The circle is written M13 circle. Just let me know quickly, everyone. Hi, good evening, good afternoon, sweetie. So just let me know. Okay, very good, very good. Chalo. So everything is clear. So let's start with the topic. Okay, circle. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is circle. So in the last class we completed our discussion on the straight line, right? So I hope you don't have any doubt in regarding the straight line. So if you have any doubt regarding the straight line, you can ask me, okay, right now, or you can ask me later in the after the class also. Okay. But now in today's class we are going to look into the circle. So it is a second topic in the coordinate geometry. First we studied straight line. Okay, then now we are studying circle, and after that we will start our discussion on parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So like this we are going to follow our discussion, okay, on the coordinate geometry. So straight line is done. Now we are focusing on circle. Okay, so today's agenda is quite simple actually. So today will be the just introduction class about the circle. We will look into the how to find the radius and how to find the center and how to derive the equation of circle. All those things we will look into it. Okay. So the content, as I told you, definition of circle we will look, and then how to find the radius and center of circle, and we will look into the different form of equation of circle. Okay. So let's start. So now first of all is definition. So definition is quite intuitive actually. So it is a locus of a point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is constant and is equal to r. Okay. So in the straight line chapter we studied about the locus, how to find a locus, yes or no. So let's say this is a fixed point. This is a fixed point. फिक्स पॉइंट है तो इसको कोई कोऑर्डिनेट नाम दे दो a, b. A, b is a fixed point. Let's say fixed point is a, b, and it all the point, let's say locus is such that this is the point p, locus. Okay, it is a locus, right? So the distance of this point p from my fixed point is always constant. So this distance is r. So let's say this fixed point is c. So means cp is equal to r. Okay, so now how you will find the locus? What is the CP distance? CP distance is nothing but distance between 2 points P and C. H minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r. Right? Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What you will get? H minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So now replace h with x, k with y. So it is nothing but x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So this is a locus which are naming it a circle. Circle, why circle? Because when you get all the points which are at a equal distance, one point will be like this, one point here, one point like this. So when you sketch all those points, you will get a curve that is a circle. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? So that's why it is a circle. Okay, so this is a required locus, okay, which is circle. Okay, so we just gave a name. Okay, we just gave a name. हमने क्या किया? We just from in a Cartesian plane, we just find the all the points which are at a constant distance r from my fixed point C. Right? We found all the points. We started we started joining all this point, and the curve that we got is look like this, and we name this curve a circle. That's it. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Definition is clear. So the locus is a point which moves such that its distance from the fixed point is constant and the distance is r. Okay. So now there are two things that we need to know about this. First of all, the fixed point. First thing is fixed point is called center of circle. Center, why? Because center, because it is at an equal distance from all the point on the circle, so that's why center. Okay. Second is the distance which is r is called radius. So these two names we have given to the circle, so that the fixed point is called center and the distance of point from the fixed point is called radius. Is this clear? So it means every circle have a fixed center and a radius. Because अगर किसी circle का center या radius में से कुछ होगा नहीं, तो how you will draw the circle? Yes or no? To locate a circle, so it means to locate a circle, you just require two information. First is where is the center of circle, and second information is distance, radius of circle. Okay, radius of circle. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Is there any doubt so far? Just let me know quickly in the chat box. Is there any doubt so far? Everyone, the definition of the locus is definition of the circle is clear. Very good, very good. So circle is a locus such that its distance from a fixed point is constant. So the fixed point is known as center of circle. The distance is known as radius of circle. Okay. So now on building, on continuing on this thing. So first of all, what circle equation we got is, equation is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation we got. So expand this equation. This is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, plus y square minus 2bx 2by plus b square is equal to r square, right? So this can be written as x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus r square is equal to 0. Is this clear, everyone? Let's just call the equation 1. Okay. So मैंने क्या किया, this equation को expand करके ऐसे लिख लिया. If I'm given this equation, so there I can say straightforward that center is a comma b. Center, which is a comma b, and radius is r, right? Radius is r. So this and this equation is exactly same. So here also I can say that center is a comma b. कोई difference थोड़ी है. ये equation 1 and this equation, let's say this is equation 2. This both equation are exactly same, right? And again radius क्या होगी फिर? Radius is r. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Okay. So now again, so x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus b square plus a square minus r square is equal to 0, right? This is the equation that we got from the equation 1, right? Okay. So now what I'm saying is, student, yes, good afternoon. So now what I'm saying is, what is the general equation of curve? What is this general? इसमें याद रखना, center is a comma b, radius is r. Okay. Now general second degree equation can be written as ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Right? So if you compare, see student, if you compare this equation with this, okay, compare this equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so compare equation 1 and 2. So one thing that you will note that your a and b here is 1, okay, and the g is nothing but minus a, and your f is nothing but minus b, and c is nothing but b square plus a square minus r square. Okay, and plus 2hxy भी आता है एक जगह, plus 2hxy, and h is 0. Is this clear? So far clear? So far clear? So the locus that we found, I just expand that equation, and now I'm comparing that equation with the general second degree equation, because in our discussion, when we are discussing about the straight line, I said that that second degree equation can be a circle, straight line, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, any of those curves, right? Now the aim that I have is that I need to find the condition for which this equation, the second degree equation, will represent a circle. Okay. Okay. So, but before that, a comma a कितना आ गया फिर यहाँ से? A is minus g, b is minus f, right? B is minus f, and यहाँ से from here what is the radius? Radius is nothing but under root of b square plus a square minus c. B is minus f, a is minus g. So substitute this equation, radius is get under root of g square plus f square minus c. Is this clear? Is this clear, student? Is this clear, everyone? So it means any second degree equation can be written as, if general equation, so general equation of circle can be given as, obviously the h is 0, तो xy वाला टर्म आएगा नहीं, can be given as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where center is minus g comma minus f and radius r is under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is, everyone should know that if a general equation of the circle is given, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, it means center is minus g comma minus f and radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? Notice one thing that you should note here, okay, even though I will add this thing in the PPT, that one thing you should note there is that for any, in the general equation of circle, in general equation of circle, coefficient of xy कितना आ रहा है? Coefficient of xy is 0 and coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Is this clear? These 2 points you should always note. Is this clear so far? So far what we discussed, a general equation of circle can be given as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where center is minus g comma minus f and radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c, right? Why I am doing this? Because this thing, remembering this equation is very tedious, because a square, b square, all these are constant, so just represent in one constant, right? So if a general equation is given like this, then I should be able to tell the center and radius of the circle straight ahead. Is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear or not? Quickly tell me in the chat box. Everyone, is this clear? Tell me in the chat box, everyone. So far clear? Very good, very good, very good. So if it is clear, then let's continue. So this is what we have discussed. I just put it as a formal thing so that you can able to understand more clearly. The thing that we discussed is that necessary and sufficient condition for general equation. This ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This general equation of second degree equation will represent circle when these two conditions satisfy. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, first is coefficient of x square should be coefficient of y square, means a is equal to b. First condition. Second condition is coefficient of xy is 0, means h is equal to 0. Right? And if you remember, when we were deriving our equation of the circle, there also we saw that coefficient of xy to आया ही नहीं था, and coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square था. Is this clear, everyone? So these two conditions should meet for any general equation of degree 2 to represent circle. Okay, is this clear? So in the straight line we discussed that delta should be 0 for a general equation. Delta should be 0. So it means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square and coefficient of xy should be 0. That's it. Okay. So if delta is 0, then it is a straight line, and delta is non-zero, then it can be of anything. Then you have to just check x square, y square. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, and coefficient of xy is equal to 0. That's it. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone, is this clear? Is there any doubt in this? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Yeah, tell me in the chat box. Clear? So when a second degree equation will represent circle, coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, and coefficient of xy is 0. Okay. Now next thing is this that we have already discussed, is that this is a general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. See, I have made this coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square 1. Okay. So when you make the coefficient of y square and coefficient of x square 1, then the center can be given as minus g comma minus f, right? Which is minus half times coefficient of x comma minus half times coefficient of y. Radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. The most important thing you should note that these above formula is only valid after making coefficient of x and it should be coefficient of x square, right? After making coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square 1. If you want to use these two formulae to find the center and radius, so the only thing you should do is first make the coefficient of x square and y square 1, and after that whatever the coefficient you are getting, y coefficient of x and coefficient of y, so minus half coefficient of x will give you the center, minus half coefficient of y will give you the right. So that's why I have written this thing, so that you should not just mug this up blindly. You should be able to understand that it is nothing but minus half time coefficient of x comma minus half time coefficient of y after making coefficient of x square y square 1. Clear? Clear? Okay. So now it means if I give you any circle, so you should be able to tell me its center and radius, isn't it? Right? Now you are very comfortable if I give you any circle that you can tell me the center and radius. Yes or no? Okay. So let's move forward. So before that, let's solve a couple of questions. Okay. Couple of questions. First is, which of the following represents circle? Everybody, please tell me in the chat box. Everyone, tell me in the chat box which of the following A, B, C, D will represent circle. Okay. I'm giving you 1 minute. Tell me quickly in the chat box which of these following will represent circle. Everyone, write down in the comment section. Everyone, Write down in the comment section. Which of the following represents circle? Everyone, tell me quickly. Okay. So JNV Chitra Durga is saying C. What about other JNV? Other JNV Balari, Davangri, Sweetie, Ahmad, everyone. Tell me which of the following represent circle? A, B, C, D. Which of the following? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Tell me what is the necessary and sufficient condition? Necessary and sufficient condition is, so what you have to check? Coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, and second thing is coefficient of xy is 0. That's all. B. Okay. Okay. So first of all, tell me quickly in the chat box, A is a circle or not? A is a equation of circle or not? Everyone, it is not. See, the coefficient of xy is 1. Here, coefficient of xy is not 0. So that's why straight ahead it is not an equation of circle. Simple. Here, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x square 2, coefficient of y square 2, and coefficient of xy is 0. So this is satisfying our both condition. Yes, very good. So B is a circle. Clear? So B is a equation of circle. Now coming back to C, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of y square is -1. Here in C, coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of y square is -1. So these two coefficients are not equal. So straight ahead you can say that it is violating our first term, first number, right? First condition. So it will not a circle. Okay. Second is D is circle or not? Again in D, coefficient of x square is not equal to coefficient of y square. Right? Coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of y square is 1. So D is again not a circle. Okay, these both condition 1 and 2 should be satisfied. Okay, if any of this condition is not satisfying, then you can say that it is not a circle. Is this clear or not? Okay, that's why I have added and, not or, either this or this. No, this and this should be satisfied. Okay, many people get confused that either this or either coefficient of either condition 1 or condition 2. No, both conditions should satisfy so that it can become circle. Is this clear? Chalo, if it is clear, then next question. Next question is, again, tell me quickly, find the center and radius of the following circle. First circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Tell me, what is the center? What is the center? Now, tell me quickly, what you do? Compare this equation with general equation of circle, with general equation of circle. See, in general equation of circle, I always make my coefficient of x square and y square 1. Okay, plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So what is g? Now compare 1 and 2. What is g? Center is no, Ahmed, you are wrong. What is g here? G is 1. What is f? F is 1. What is c? -1. Center क्या होता है? Center is -half coefficient, right? -half coefficient of x, or minus g comma minus f. Yes or no? So it implies center is -1 comma -1. Is this clear, Ahmed? Not 1 comma 1, -1 comma -1. Okay, that's why -half coefficient of x is coefficient of x comma -half coefficient of y, after making coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square 1. Okay, now radius. What is radius? Radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c, which is under root of 1 square plus under root of 1 square minus, clear, which is nothing but root 3. Is this clear? Is this clear? So first of all, make the coefficient of x square y square 1. Okay. Okay. So what you will do? Steps to find equation of circle. Okay. So whatever we did in this question, that's the same thing I will tell you. First step is make coefficient of x square and y square 1. Second step, direct, center is minus half coefficient of x comma minus half coefficient of y. Radius, third, radius is nothing but whatever the center के coordinate you got ना, उनका square minus half. एक थोड़ा complicated हो जाएगा, just center तक ही याद रख लो. Okay, radius फिर g square plus f square minus c की form में याद रखो. Okay, third is radius, which is this is minus g comma minus f. Radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. Is this clear? देखो, everyone please note that the center and radius you will be finding the center and radius of circle in, you can say, 99% of questions. Okay, so you better be comfortable with the finding center and radius. Okay, it's quite easy, yeah, quite easy. You just have to remember formula, right? Now the second question. Now find the center and radius of this circle. Everyone tell me quickly in the chat box. Everyone, what is the center and radius of the circle? Quickly, you have 1 minute. Tell me quickly in the chat box, center and radius of this circle. Okay, now you got it, right? What you have to do, right? Just make the coefficient of x square y square 1 and then compare this with the general equation of circle and then get the center and radius. That's all. Everyone tell me quickly in the chat box, what is the radius and the center of the circle? Quickly. Anyone? Janvi Ballari, Janvi Chitra Durga, Davangiri Sweetie, everyone. Tell me quickly in the chat box. What is the answer? What you will do? First make coefficient of x square and y square 1. Okay, -9 comma -12. Okay, let's see. I don't think the answer is right. Answer is not correct. Okay, so what do you do? Circle equation is 3x square plus 3y square plus 18x minus 24y plus 27 is equal to 0. Divide this equation with 3. Divide with 3. तो 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर 1, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर 1 प्लस this is 6x, this is 8y, this is 9 is equal to 0. How you are getting -9? I am not understanding. Yes, very good, JNV Chitra Durga. JNV Ballari, check your answer. Yeah, coefficient of xy is already 6. Then how it can? Okay. Now I got it. What you did? You didn't make the coefficient of x square and y square 1. Okay. Now compare equation 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Yes, very good. So now on comparing equation 1 with our general equation of circle, what is G? G is 3. What is F? -4. What is C? 9. So center is minus G comma minus F. Radius is under root of G square plus F square minus A. Yes, very good, JNV Ballari, very good. Minus 3 comma 4. Under root of G square plus F square minus C. So this is nothing but under root of G square plus F square minus 9. So it is nothing but 4 only. So radius is 4 and the center is minus 3 comma 4. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone, is this clear? Is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Clear? Okay. Chalo. So now tell me the answer of this question, everyone. Okay. I'm writing down one question. I want each and everyone to get this answer right. Okay. Question is C part. Let's say x square, 2x square plus 2y square plus 9x is equal to 0. Center and radius of this circle. Now tell me quickly in the chat box, everyone. Center and radius of this circle. Everyone, I want each and everyone to tell me the answer of this question. Okay, then I will believe you that you understand fully this concept, center and radius. Tell me. Quickly. Let me know the answer. Anyone? Students, what is the center and radius of this circle? Minus 9/4. And yes, okay, and radius? Yes, absolutely correct. Make coefficient of x square, y square 1. So divide above equation with 2. So x square plus y square plus 9/2 into x is equal to 0. Compare equation 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Yes, very good. So what you are getting? G is nothing but 9/4. What is f? F तो coefficient of y का half है, but यहाँ पे तो है ही नहीं, तो f 0. C is again 0, constant term भी नहीं है. So center is minus g comma minus f. So minus 9/4 comma 0. Radius is under root of 9/4 का whole square plus 0 square plus 0 square, which is 9/4. That's it. Clear, everyone? Is this clear? Is this clear or not? Okay. So first make the quotient of x square and y square 1 and then proceed. Chalo. Now let's proceed further. Okay. I hope now you can able to tell the each and every circle. Now you are comfortable in telling the center and radius. Okay. Now this question. Now everyone, please focus on this question. Question is asking us find the equation of circle passes through 3 non-collinear points. These are the 3 non-collinear points. Okay. So everyone, please focus here. Dekho, whenever this type of questions come, that you have to find the equation of circle that are passing through the 3 non-collinear points. Then equation of circle, let equation of circle, क्या मानो equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Clear? That the equation of circle is this. Okay. So now, first of all, this circle, whatever this circle is, okay, ये कोई सर्कल होगा, इसका सेंटर मान लो माइनस जी कोमा माइनस एफ है, रेडियस आर है, and on these circle there are 3 points. So this circle is passes through this point. Let's say this is 3, 4. Let's say one of the point is, let's say -3, -4, and let's say another point, let's say somewhere here 0, 5. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's all. So now first of all 3, 4 is lying on the circle. So 3, 4 should satisfy the equation of circle. So put 3, 4. Put 3, 4 in equation 1. So 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g x plus 2 f y plus c is equal to 0. कितना आ गया ये? 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. Right? So let's call this equation 2. Again, -3, -4 is also satisfying the circle. So -3, -4 should also satisfy the circle. Put that -3, -4 in the circle. Same thing you will get 9 plus 16 minus 3. So -6g minus 8f plus c is equal to 0. Let's call this equation B. So far clear? Right? These 3 points are passing through the circle. So हमने circle assume कर लिया, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, right? And then now these points should satisfy the circle. Now the third point 0, 5 should also passing through the circle. So 0, 5 should also satisfy the equation of circle. So 0 plus 25 plus 5 कितना आ गया? 10f plus c is equal to 0. Right? So see, if we are from equation A, B and C, 3 unknown, so we can get the F, G and C, right? So now solve equation A, B, C. Solve equation A, B, C to get F, G and H. Simple. So first of all, what do you do? Equation 1 plus equation 2 कर दो. Equation A plus equation B. Add equation A and B. So when you add equation A and B, so 25 plus 25 50 minus 6g plus 6g cancel minus 8f plus 8f. So कितना आ गया? 50 plus 2c is equal to 0. C कितना आ गया? Minus 25. C is minus 25. So put C is equal to minus 25 in equation C. In equation C. In this equation, what you are getting? 25 plus 10f minus 25 0. It implies f कितना आ गया? 0. So f is 0, c is minus 25. So put f equal to 0. Now put f equal to 0, c is equal to minus 25 in equation, any of the equation. Let's say equation A. In equation A. Equation A कितना है? 25 plus 8 6g plus 8f. 25 plus 6 into g plus 8 into f plus c is equal to 0, right? Again this 0, 25 minus 25, g is again 0. So g is 0, f is 0, c is minus 25. So it implies equation of circle कितना आ गया? x square plus y square plus 2gx, but g is 0, then that x वाला वेरिएबल नहीं आएगा, y वाला टर्म नहीं आएगा, plus c. What is c? Minus 25 equal to 0. So this is x square plus y square is equal to 25. So this is the equation of required circle. Is this clear? Required circle. Is this clear, students? Students, is this clear? So the question ने बोला कि एक circle which is passing through these 3 points and then find the equation of circle. So we assume that equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this circle should passes through these 3 points. So in 3 point को equation of circle में put करने पे should satisfy the circle. So on putting the circle equation 3 points on the circle, we got 3 equations A, B and C. On solving A, B, C, we get F, G and C, right? And hence we got the circle. Is this clear? How many have doubt regarding this question? Raise your hand. How many of you have doubt regarding question? All clear, right? Okay. So okay, so now like if the any three equation is given, okay. So one thing, so there is one important note you should remember. I should have typed it here, but no problem. So one important note on the basis of this question, you can say that a unique, a unique circle, a unique circle passes through three three non-collinear points. Passes through three non-collinear points. It means what are non-collinear points? Everybody knows that if 3 points are not, see, if let's say point A, B, C, these 3 points are lying on the same line. So this is collinear points. Collinear points. Let's say this point. So there is no lines which can contain these 3 points at the same time. So these are non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Is this understood? So what I'm saying is, whenever you are given three non-collinear points, okay, so there is always a unique circle that will passes through those 3 points. Okay, see, in this case, these 3 points are non-collinear. You can easily able to see that. Let's say 3,4 is 3,4 somewhere here, minus 3, minus 4 somewhere here, and 0,5 is somewhere here, right? So these 3 points, there is no line can passes through these 3 points at the same time, right? So that's why, and how many circle we are getting? Only one circle, right? Okay, so that's why it is very important to note that a unique point, a unique circle passes through three non-collinear point. Is this understood? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Okay, so let's say if a question come, there are three non-collinear point, blah blah blah, and then question says that find the number of circle that are passing through these 3 points. So it is no brainer. So these three are non-collinear points. So there will always be one circle that passes through these 3 points. Okay. Okay. So that being said, let's proceed further. Next question. Next question is find the circle whose center lie on this line and which passes through this point and this point. Okay. Again, let required circle is, let required circle क्या मान लो, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a circle, let's say. So if it is a circle, so its center is minus g comma minus f, minus half coefficient of x minus half coefficient of y, right? And now one interesting thing is given. Question is saying that this circle passes through the 2 point, let's say minus 1 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 2. Let's say 3 comma minus 2 somewhere here. 3 comma minus 2, let's say. And one more information is given that 3x plus 4y equal to 7 is passes through the center. Okay, passing through the center. So let's say this is some line. Okay, let's say this is a line. This line. Let's say this, like this. So what is this line? This line is 3x plus 4y equal to 7. So now find the equation of circle. Question is clear? Question, circle passing through the 2 point and the center of the circle is lying on the line. Then find the equation of circle. Anyways, when we write this equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, I require three equation, right? Because there are three variables f, g and c. So three equation is already given. One is circle is passing through this point, 1 minus 1 comma 2. Circle is passing through the point B, 3 comma 2, and thus minus g comma minus f is lying on the line L. So we can make the three equation easily. We can get the answer. So let's start solution. Okay. So first is point A is lying on the circle. So put the point A in the equation of circle. It will satisfy 1 plus 4 minus 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So 5 minus 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. It is equation 1. Then point B is lying on the circle. Put the equation point B. What is this? You will get 9 plus 4 plus 6g minus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Right? So इसको थोड़ा simplify कर लो. 13 plus 6g minus 4f plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 2. And minus g comma minus f lying on line L. So it implies minus g comma minus f लाइन में डालने पे सेटिस्फाई होगा. minus 3g minus 4f is equal to 7. That's it. Okay. So what you can do, let's call this equation 3. So to solve equation 1, 2, 3, equation 3 unknown, how you will solve? First of all, okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 क्या है? 13 plus 6g minus 4f. 13 plus 6g minus 4f plus c minus 4f plus c minus 10. What is equation 1? 5 minus 2g plus 4f. 5 minus 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So what you will get? 13 minus 5, 8. 6g plus 2g, 8g minus 4f minus 4f minus 4f minus 8f, 0. So it implies 1 plus g minus f is equal to 0. So let's call this equation 4. So on solving, one second. Is this clear so far? It's just algebra, right? The concept is already been covered. Okay, it's just algebra is left. Okay, so what we got, 13g minus 4f plus c minus 4f plus c minus 10, 5g minus 2g, 5 minus 2g plus 4f minus plus c is equal to 0. We got 8 plus 8g plus minus 8f is equal to 0. So 1 plus g minus f is equal to 0. We call this equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and equation 4. Solve equation 3 and 4. Solve equation 3 and 4. What you can do? Just multiply equation 3. So equation 3 plus 3 times equation 4. What is equation 3? Minus 3g minus 4f minus 3g minus 4f minus 7 plus minus 7 plus equation 4 को 3 multiply with 3. So 3 plus 3g minus 3f is equal to 0. कितना आ गया? 3 minus 3g plus 3g cancel out, minus 4f minus 3f minus 7f and then minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. f कितना आ गया यहाँ से? 4/7. 4/7. Put the f in this equation. Put the f in the equation 4. You will get the g. Yes or no? g कितना आ गया फिर? g is f minus 1. So g is 4/7 minus 1, which is minus 3/7. So put f g in any of the equation 1, 2, 3 to get c, right? Put f g, let's say in equation. Which equation is easier to find? 1, 2 and third equation was, there was the third equation. Yeah, equation 1. Put the equation in 1. In equation 1 to get c, right? So ABC निकल जाएगा. So ABC आ गया तो finally circle आ गया, right? So what is this? 5 minus 2g. 5 minus 2. How much is g? Minus 3/7 plus 4f plus 4 into f. f is 4/7. 5 minus 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So यहाँ से c कितना आ गया? 5 plus 6/7 plus 16 by 7 plus c is equal to 0. 35 plus LCM ले लिया, then 22 by 7 is equal to c. It implies c is nothing but minus 57 by 7. So ABC आ गया. F, G and C get circle, right? Circle आ गया फिर तो. Is this clear everyone? It's just the calculation is little lengthy, that's all. Okay. Concept wise is a very easy question. 3 equation 3 and no, that's all. Is this clear everyone? Is there any doubt? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is there any doubt in this question? Right? It is very similar to the question that we did before, right? It's just the new type of information given, so new equation formed, right? Okay. So now let's proceed. Okay. Now let's talk about the equation of circle in different form. Equation of circle in different form. Okay. So the first one is equation of circle whose center is a comma b and radius is r. Okay. So question can give you that let's say equation of circle whose center is a comma b and radius is r. So find the equation of circle. Okay. Find the equation of circle. So the equation of circle can be given as x minus a ka whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Simple. Is this clear? It's just using the distance formula, that's all. It is how we find the locus, right? The same way. But you should be able to directly say that if the center is a comma b and radius is r, then the equation of circle is nothing but x minus a ka whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Okay. Let's say this is any point P which is x comma y, right? Distance of PC should be r. That's all. Is this clear? Equation of circle. So let's say, for example, if I ask you equation of circle with the center, let's say with center 1, 2 and radius 7. How you will tell me? Solution. Equation of circle with the center 1, 2 radius 7. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 7 square. Simple. Okay. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 49. Is this clear everyone? Is this clear or not? Quickly let me know in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Now the same way, the special case of the first equation, if the center is instead of a comma b, if it becomes 0, then the same way, right? If the instead of center a comma b is now origin, means 0, 0, but radius is r, so the required equation क्या होगी? Required equation of circle is x minus a whole square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square, right? So it implies x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this is the equation of circle. This is the equation of circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. Circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. Okay. Is this clear everyone? Clear? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? Any doubt so far? Okay. So now, okay. So if there is no doubt, then let's proceed. So now let's solve this question. Okay. A line 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y equal to 7 are diameter of the circle, and circle का area कितना है? 154 square unit. Find the equation of circle. Okay. So let's say what is happening is, let's say there is some circle. Okay, there is some circle and these lines are along the diameter. Means let's say this is center, right? So if these two lines are along the diameter, so it means intersection of these two lines will give you the center, of course. Yes or no? Right? So this is, let's say this line is L is equal to 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, and let's say this line L1, this is L1 and this is L2, is 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, right? So solve L1 and L2 to get center. Okay, so solve L1 and L2 to get center. 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and 3x, let's say this is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, let's call this equation 1, and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, let's call this equation 2. So what you can do, equation multiply equation 1 into 3 minus इक्वेशन 2 इंटू 2, बस ये कर दो. तो इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 से, सो 6x माइनस 9y इज इक्वल टू 15 माइनस इक्वेशन 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 6x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू 8y इज इक्वल टू 14. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, दिस माइनस दिस 0, दिस माइनस दिस माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 1. तो y इज इक्वल टू -1, y इज -1. सो यहाँ से x कितना जाएगा, किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर दो, राइट, x इज 1. तो सेंटर कितना आ गया, सेंटर इज 1, -1. सेंटर इज 1, -1. इज दिस क्लियर? ओके, so the center of the circle is now we found. The only thing that is left is radius, and for the radius one more information is given, that the area of circle is 154. okay, area is 154. बचपन में पढ़ा होगा, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल कितना होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर 154. so let's assume pi is 24/7. okay, यहाँ पे लिख लेना, assume pi is equal to 22/7. okay, pi r square is equal to 154. 22 7s are 154. so r square is 49, r is 7. so it implies circle has center 1, -1 and radius 7. so required equation कितनी आ गई, x माइनस x सर्कल का सेंटर 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस y b विच इज -1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. so equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 49. so this is the equation of circle. is this clear, students? Students, tell me quickly in the chat box, is this clear or not? Quickly let me know in the chat box. Is this clear, everyone? right, so the diameter, the diameter of the circle was given. okay, the diameter of the circle is along the line, right, along these two lines. so solve these two lines to get the circle, center. so now we know the now we know the coordinate of center. the only thing required is center, radius. so for that area is given. okay, so so one thing is here, in the equation it should be given that pi is 22/7. okay, because we know that whenever we solve the question pi equal to 22/7, we used to do it till the 10th class, right? now we just use the pi value only, pi, or use the 3.14 to be more precise. okay, so if the question is saying use the pi 22/7, then only you can use it. okay, otherwise don't use pi equal to 22/7. okay, try to give the answer in terms of pi only. okay, but in this question it's been said, so that's why we have used. clear? so many people do this. okay, so they just give the answer assuming pi equal to 22/7, but that's being okay for the if you are in the 9th or 10th class, but now you should be able to give the more accurate answer. okay, so if it is possible, just leave the answer in pi. okay, leave the answer in pi. if question is specifically telling you to use the pi value, then use it. okay, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus y. I think equation should be in the form. Doesn't matter. Dekho. Yeah, you can expand this. Okay. If okay. No problem. If you want to expand this, expand. Okay. This is also it's also a legit answer. Okay. No problem with that. If you want to further expand it, then expand. Okay. My aim is to just let you know the equation of circle is this. Okay. After that, if the equation is given you in the general equation form, then you expand it. Okay. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 49. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 47 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Clear? This is. Yeah. Okay. It's just depend on the equation of circle, how the options are given. Okay. I just expect everyone to just convert this equation in this. Okay. I have this much trust in you that you can be able to convert this equation into this. Okay. Is this clear? Everyone, is this clear? Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. Okay. Now, this is very interesting topic. Okay. It will take only 5 minutes to derive the equation, but the concept is very important. So now it is a third form. Okay. First form was if the equation of the circle, if the 3 points are given, so that you have to do it using the general equation of circle, put the point and get the answer. Second form was that equation of circle, directly the center is given and the radius is given. Okay, like that also you can do. Third is now the diametric form of the circle. So it is like this: equation of circle whose extremities, opposite end points of the diameter is given. Okay, I'm just writing down the problem statement, that what we are aiming. We are aiming that, let's say this is a circle, we don't know what circle is, but the one information that is being given is that, let's say this is the center of the circle and the extremities of the diameter is given. Clear? Let's say this point A is x1 comma y1, B point is x2 comma y2. Okay, so A and B are the end point of the diameter AB. A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are the end points of diameter AB. So if this is given, then how you will find the equation of circle? That is clear. That is saying. Can anybody tell me? See, it's quite easy. First of all, the one method that I will tell you, there are actually two methods. Okay, but one is very lengthy and one is very intuitive. So the first one is that everybody knows this: the diameter. If these 2 points are the opposite end of the diameter, then this is radius. This is radius. It implies center is the midpoint of the AB, right? So one might think that if the point at opposite end of the diameter is given, then find the center. And as soon as we find the center, then CB or CA will give you the radius. So center is given, radius is given. Then you get the circle, right? Is this clear? I just write here method 1. Okay, I am not doing by method 1. I just putting the procedure. What might, if somebody don't know the method 2 which I am about to tell, how he or she will proceed. Center C is midpoint of AB. So it implies C कितना आ गया? Coordinate of C is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is first procedure. Then second step is radius is nothing but distance CB or CA. Okay. So radius is nothing but this, right? Now radius you know, center you know, then the equation of circle we get, right? Now we can find the equation of circle. Clear? Now get the equation of circle. Now get the equation of circle. Is this clear, student? इसमें तो किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं होगा ना, like you, it should be any doubt like how to think about this, right? If I give you this question, if I have given you this question before just telling you the diametric form of the circle adding, then I think the 100% of you will go by this method, right? Center is the midpoint of the diameter's k opposite ends, and we've got the center, and the distance we can find CB will give my radius. So the center is given, radius is given, then the equation of circle is no brainer. Anybody can do it, right? But as you can see that it is like it's quite lengthy process, right? First use the distance formula, then use the midpoint formula, then use the distance formula, and then find the equation of circle, right? Right. So now the method 2 is like quite interesting method. Okay, how you will do this? Again, same thing. Diameter, opposite end of the diameter is given, a, which is a is x1 comma y1, right? Yes, x1 comma y1, and b is x2 comma y2, and this is the center C. Okay, now again, so in your lower classes, in 9th 10th classes, everybody knows this. If a circle that triangle in a semicircle, the triangle inscribed, triangle, everybody knows this, right? Triangle, I'm just writing down again, triangle inscribed in a semicircle, is right angle triangle, right? Right angled triangle. Everybody knows this, right? Is there anyone in the class who doesn't know this? Everybody should know this. Okay, it's a very interesting thing. In the 9th or 10th classes, you might have studied this, right? Okay, so if it is true, then let's say there is some point P, let's say h comma k. Okay, and this join these 2 points. It should be 90 degree. Yes or no? So it's just that it is the locus of a point P which move such that the triangle APB is right angle triangle. Everybody agree, right? Yes or no? So question is now required circle is locus of point P which moves such that triangle APB is right angle triangle. RIGST, right angle triangle. Everybody agree with me or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box how many of you got this. Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is there anyone in the class who doesn't understand this thing? Anyone in the class? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Just reply with the yes if you understood, right? So that I can proceed. Okay. Question is already over. Okay. Now it's just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Before I just want to make sure. Okay. Very good. So now if triangle APB in right angle triangle, right? So it implies slope. It implies slope of line AP into slope of line BP should be -1. Yes or no? If the triangle APB right angle triangle, so simply the slope of line AP into slope of line BP is -1 because the both lines are perpendicular, right? So the slope of AP into slope of BP should be -1. So what is the slope of AP? Slope of AP is, अभी स्ट्रेट लाइन पढ़ा है हमने लास्ट क्लास तक स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं पढ़ रहे थे, स्लोप निकालना आता है k minus y1 upon h minus x1, k minus y1 upon h minus x. This is the slope AP. What is slope BP? K minus y2 upon h minus x2. K minus y2 upon h minus x2 is equal to -1. So it implies it is nothing but k minus y1 into k minus y2 plus h minus x1 h minus x2 is equal to 0. Cross multiply karke we took everything on the left hand side, right? So this should be the locus. Now replace h with x and k with y, right? What we are getting? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. That's so. This is the required equation. So the required equation where x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are opposite end of diameter, opposite end of diameter AB. Okay, this is the equation. Is this clear? Clear? So when you solve this, okay, and when you solve with the method 1, you will get the exact equation. There will be no difference. Okay, क्योंकि सर्कल तो यूनिक है ना, सर्कल थोड़ी बदल जाएगा. ओके, चाहे मेथड 1 से करो मेथड 2 से करो, आंसर तो एक ही आएगा. ओके, सो see everybody, I will suggest that you should remember by this method only. Okay, many people are tend to remember this with method that x square minus x1 plus x2 into x plus x1 x2 plus y square minus y1 plus y2 into y plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Okay, okay, it's better to remember with this because there is symmetricity everywhere. Okay, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That's all. Okay, and then after you can proceed simplifying it. Okay, so this and this both are answers, right? Okay, is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Yes, very good, Janvi Ballari. Clear? So now we now quite a lot about the circle now, right now, before compared to the starting of the class, right? The center of the circle minus g comma minus f, which is minus half coefficient of x comma minus half coefficient of y, radius under root of g square plus f square minus c, making sure that my coefficient of x square and y square is 1. Then I will use these formulae. Okay, after that, one important note, I told you that if there are 3 non-collinear points, then there will be unique circle which will pass through these 3 points. Okay, after that we did solve a couple of questions and then we discussed that important form, right? If the center and the radius is given, then x minus a square plus y minus b square equal to radius square, and then the diametric form that we discuss right now. Okay, if the x1 comma x2 and y1 comma y2 are the diametric opposite end of the diameter AB, then the equation of the circle can be written as x minus x1 into yx minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Is this clear, everyone? Clear? Is there any doubt so far? Okay, thank you, everyone. That's it for today. So make sure you write down your homework problems. Okay, this is your homework problem. Okay. Okay, so in the next class we will solve a couple of questions on the this diametric form equation, and after that we will proceed with the next topic. Yeah, very good. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, bye bye, take care. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye everyone, bye, take care.